Brett and Tony hit the road again. Brett and Tony, let the good times begin. Pack bags by the door, keys in the hand. New town, new taste, new lines in the sand. Big laughs, real talk, one more mile to go. Every day's a story, ready, set, go. From the first turn to the last view, we're rolling out and bringing you to Brett and Tony, let's go. Brett and Tony, you know, one road, one ride, we take you along. Brett and Tony, let's go. Brett and Tony, one show. New places, new faces, and a brand new song. And a brand new song. Hey, coffee in a paper cup, sun on the glass, finding little moments, watching big days pass. Local food, long drive, scenes that feel alive. Every stop gets better every time we arrive. From the first turn to the last view, we're rolling out and bringing you to Brett and Tony, let's go. Brett and Tony, you know, one road, one ride, we take you along. Brett and Tony, let's go. Brett and Tony, one show. New places, new faces, and a brand new song.
No, it was great. Okay, so we're heading to, why are we heading to Cloncurry now?
I'm going to get pie.
Oh, apparently
Oh, you got to go
Cloncurry,
through curry anyway.
apparently Cloncurry has good pies.
Oh, I've no idea.
Oh, okay.
I just feel like a pie.
But today it is 34 degrees. It's about 45 minutes to midday. A bit of a late start because we went exploring. We did a little bit of exercise while we were at Mary Kathleen, which was great. Had a quick game of tennis. You did a couple of laps in the pool.
Well, yeah, went for a little swim.
But yeah, Mary Kathleen, put it on your stay list, and well worth it. Just so safe and beautiful. Just lovely.
It is interesting.
Yeah. Alrighty. Let's go. Next adventure.
Leaving Mary Kathleen, the Raptor's basically a wild Brumby bolting for the home paddock, Brett at the reins. Days stretch, stops shrink, and kilometres vanish like snacks on a road trip. So strap in, folks. This is the express lane across central Queensland.
Are you hungry, babe?
I'm a bit hungry, mate.
What did you get?
Got pie. Pie.
A curry pie
And a sausage roll.
and a sausage roll.
Yeah.
So, what's Cloncurry known for?
Line flying doctor service.
Oh, really?
Yeah, John Flynn.
Wow. Okay.
He was the man.
What did John Flynn do?
Well, he started. He set up in Cloncurry
Mm.
because it was sort of central to all the pastoralists and mines, and because they didn't have very good medical service, so he set up here. And in 1928, I think it was, the first plane took off on its first medical mission.
Not far out of Cloncurry, we actually pulled up to East Chinaman's Dan for a quick pee stop, and this is where we turned into kids again. We've just pulled up outside the McKinlay pub and it is closed, unfortunately. We always like to stop in and support the locals. But this is the Walkabout Creek, so this is famous for Crocodile Dundee. Last time we were here, they had the original truck from the movie out the front. And the actual bar itself that they filmed it in is out the back. This bar itself is just not the actual one. But it's a shame. It's still got a crocodile on the front, and it's quite iconic, but it looks like it's closed. They're only open from 10 to 1 and then reopen at 5 o'clock. So, onwards and upwards. Hey, Road Train, have you got a copy? Let me know when it's good to come around, mate, if you don't mind. Radio, on my way.
That's the Blue Hill Hotel.
We'll have to go back one day and find where we wrote our name. It was on our honeymoon in 2016. Remember climbing up on the bar and writing our name?
As we pull into Winton, it's late in the afternoon. We determine that finding a campsite is the priority, a glass of wine, and watching the amazing sunset.
Oh, those Outback sunsets glow, burning gold and amber slow. Purple skies and crimson light turn to dust to pure delight. In that moment, time just melts away. Underneath the end of day.
Rightio, we are all packed up. We love Winton. Winton has so much to offer, big kids and little kids. There's the obvious dinosaur exhibits that you can go to. You've got Blackall, which is about, let's say about 100 k's out of town. That's where the stampede happened. And it is really wonderful. They've got a great facility there, all undercover. And then also there is the Age of Dinosaurs, and they've added a few extra stages over the last few years. They've done such a fantastic job there. You can go into the lab as well and see them exposing the dinosaur bones from when they actually recovered them. Then there's also the Walsey Matilda Centre. What else? Oh, there's a fantastic sign out here that to capture it on sunset. I'll put a little photo in. And there's also lots of little quirky things to do around town. So there's the Crack Up Sisters. If you've ever been, excuse the flies, if you've ever been to the Big Red Bash, or the music festival maybe down in Broken Hill, or any of those far out back music festivals, the Crack Up Sisters are always a given and a tent. Well, they actually live and are based out of Winton. Also, there is, like I said, another quirky thing to do, the music. What is it? Like it's a music orchestra kind of area that you can go and bang and crash and have a bit of fun. I'll show you that as well.
Oh, it's a bunch of instruments made of junk.
Yeah, it's a bit of junk used to make music instruments, so we'll show you that as well. And down the main street, it's really quirky. It's got some great little stores. I think there's about 2 or 3 pubs in town. They're definitely worth going to. We also stayed last night at the Tattersalls Caravan Park, right opposite the Tats pub in town. There's about 52 campsites here, all powered, $40 a night. Great facilities as well. Now the water it does smell a bit sulphurish, but you're in the middle of the outback, guys. What do you expect? But no, great facilities, and we've even got grass. So, you know, wahoo, that's a real novelty out here. But look, other than that, Winton is a brilliant town. We love it. There's so much to do and see. Put it on your list and come and spend a few days. Highly recommend it. All right, we're going to hit the road and we'll talk to you soon. So this is one of these places that's for big and little kids. Oh my God. All right, big kid. Up came policemen 1, 2, and 3. Oh, it's the words of Waltzing Matilda.
Winton's a place to be, birthplace of Qantas, where dreams took flight, from dusty plains to endless height. Whispers of legends long been told, from the age of dinosaurs to a country song. This little town's got a heartbeat strong, so sing it out where the horizon runs, underneath those Queensland suns. In Winton town, where the past feels near, you'll find a piece of Australia here.
Waving goodbye to Winton, we head south, past Quarry and on to Opalton. A quick air down before we settle back into that red dust. Finds that I love. So this is a property entrance, and they've used old machinery, which is not uncommon. I love it.
Stop, Mum, stop. Hello, ladies. Oh. Is that a big ball amongst them? Oh, it's two. No, what is it?
This is a stark reminder for everybody heading outback. Always carry water and matches and do not leave your vehicle. Poor old Roy perished here in 1982. By the way, we are in Opalton and there's not a lot here. There's a little bit of an outpost over there and doesn't look that inviting, to be honest. Not a lot at Opalton. So how many kilometres have we done now on the new engine?
Oh, okay, well.
Okay. We do have a grid coming up, so eyes on the grid too, please.
Well, since we left home, since the vehicle left home 2 months ago.
Probably 2.5 months ago now.
Yeah, probably 2.5 months ago.
Yep.
It's done 7,500 kilometres, 7,540 kilometres.
Right, so our whole trip so far, 7,540 kilometres from Brisbane to here.
Yep.
Although we may, as you know, we have had delays. The new engine.
The new engine, because I set the trip meter as soon as we picked it up on Trip Computer 2. The new engine's done 4,028.
Okay.
And it's not missed a beat. And look, it's a comfortable truck to drive.
Oh.
It is. On these roads, yes, we're only towing the Patriot. Literally no weight at the back.
No.
You don't even know it's there.
See here?
Yeah, I reckon that guy there would definitely chase me.
Oh, look, Brett doesn't have good luck with cattle. And, and as you would have seen, he got attacked on the Gregory, which is hilarious.
It was, not at the time, but thinking back, it is funny.
Just heading down the road and had to stop because this is a street sign. So you can go to George's Place to the left, or you can go to Mainside, Junda and Lark Quarry to the right. But if you want to know what's down there, they put pictures of their place. I think they like a drink. Because if you come around the corner, there's quite a few rum bottles left there. And then again here it says Opalton, Winton that way, and George's Place that way.
No fences, no voices, no towns drawing near. Just the engine hum and the wind in your ear. The sky stretches out like it's never gonna end. Rust and gold where the daylight bends. Every mile feels like something new, even when it's just me and you. Wide open spaces, not a soul in sight. Sun going down in a golden light. Paints every stone, every drifting cloud. Out here the silence feels so loud. Through the dust and the distance we roam, in the heart of nowhere we don't wanna go home. Every mile makes us feel alive in this great land where our spirits drive.
Isn't this absolutely stunning
Oh,
scenery?
sensational.
Isn't the scenery awesome?
Beautiful.
I know, the sun's going down. And look at this. Look at behind us. Like, how magic is this? The hills in the background, the rocks. It's just golden hour. We're so lucky, honestly. We're in the middle of absolutely nowhere.
God's country, Queensland. Okay, let's go. We're running out of daylight.
Okay, running out of daylight. But this is just stunning. Absolutely amazing. And no, we haven't seen anybody all day. Just us all day.
Tires on gravel, singing low and clear. Following tracks, disappearing out here. Shadows grow long as the daylight fades, turning dry earth into golden flames. There's a kind of peace in the emptiness. No need for words, no need to guess. Just the endless road and a setting sun, and the feeling that we've only begun. Wide open spaces, not a soul in sight. Sun going down in the golden light.
These are some of the crazy things that you come across when you're out here, and I love it. Have a look at this. Champion Contracting. Oh, I wonder who is behind that. That is just so funny. Got beers in their hands. Love it.
No city lights, just a billion stars. No need to know exactly where we are. The farther we go, the more we find. There's a wild kind of freedom in losing time. Wide open spaces under.
We had to know how the Stonehenge address book got started. Apparently, according to Google, it began with a single person, a local mailman. One day, his truck broke down and he was stranded on the side of the road near Stonehenge. While waiting for help, he arranged some stones on the ground to spell out Junda, one of the nearby towns. That was the very first entry in what later became the address book. After that, travellers passing through started copying his idea. People began spelling out their own names, towns or messages using rocks beside the road. Over time, more and more names were added, spreading across the wide, flat area of ground. It's kept growing for years, now stretching roughly about 1 kilometre long and God knows it looks like even a couple of 100 metres wide. Definitely stop and check it out. If you can't find your suburb or town or name, get busy, collect some rocks and have a bit of fun. It's definitely worth putting on the list of places to visit. Okay, back on the road, looking for camp tonight. The emus kept us amused. As we settle in for the last night of bush camping on this trip, we experience one of the most amazing sunsets. But it's onwards tomorrow, homeward bound. What a bugger.
Thompson River Camp, just outside Junda.
Yes. Well, that was a nice camp actually. There was only 2 of us there. The other one was a long way away from us. No, it was lovely and peaceful. The river wasn't as noisy as the Roper River.
No.
Not as much activity in that river last night, but there were turtles. You said you saw a pelican and a turtle?
Yeah, pretty sure I saw a turtle, but I didn't get up to it quick enough to...
You saw a whistling kite pick up a snake?
I did.
Oh.
I didn't capture that on film either.
No.
Just arrived at Icesford. Hard to say. And we're on the Icesford to Blackall Road, and I spotted another sign that said Icesford Blackall River Road. So we looked on the map, and it's an alternative route, alternative drive
To Blackall.
to Blackall. So,
And it's dirt.
and
Because we'd already aired down, as we've just come across a dirt road to Iceford from Stonehenge, and now we are deciding to continue on the dirt as opposed to take the bitumen road to Blackall.
so it's about 9 minutes difference according to the map.
Yeah, but we don't know what the condition of the road is. They've actually had quite a bit of water around here, and you can see there's lots of ruts in the road, and there's still damp in some places as well. But we'll just take it easy.
It's probably more of a track.
Yeah. Yes.
Anyway,
Yes.
let's see what...
Watch this space, because we might get to the river and it might be closed, and we may have to turn around and drive all the way back again.
Oh, surely they'd have closed signs at the entrance, but anyway,
Don't know.
that's what it's like. Let's go.
Okay. We've just pulled into Blackall. We're going to have a swim. We just stopped at the bakery and grabbed something to eat for lunch. And I love this tree. This is one of my favourite little towns too. How's the pie, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Chunky
Pepper.
beef and pepper. And I love this tree. Blackall's own tree of knowledge while sitting underneath. Bullshit welcome. So last night on the road we have pulled up at the Mucker pub.
which is the Muckadilla pub just outside of Roma, between Mitchell and Roma. Great location. We've been here a lot of times. We have ordered a red. They upsold us. They said it's only $9 more for the bottle. We said, sure, why not? And as we come on in, oh, look who I find.
Look what I found.
Oh, someone's found the menu. Someone might be a little bit hungry.
I'm a little bit hungry.
Cheers, babe. Here's to our last night on the road.
Here's last night.
It's such a shame.
It is.
But anyway, it is the last night. We'll figure out what we want to eat for dinner and settle in for a little bit. And I was so tired today. Brett did all the driving today. Thanks, babe. Yeah, we had to stop halfway and make a coffee just to keep him going. We normally change driving every 2 hours, which I don't mind. But today, I don't know. I was just wiped.
I knew you were tired. I looked over and you were tired.
I was just wiped today. I think.
Actually, today, driving along, I looked over and you were asleep. I can't remember the last time you slept in the passenger seat.
All right, let's check out this menu and see what we want to order.
Yep. Beef ragu.
Beef ragu with a side of chips and gravy. That is the weirdest order I think I've ever put in. But anyway, we're washing it down with a pepper jack Shiraz. Good morning. We are just heading through Roma and had to stop because there's the sculptures of the Outback, and there's some fabulous sculptures here just on the side of the Warrego Highway. Babe, car chat. All right, I have some questions for you. Best road that we've been on?
There was a track we found between Stonehenge and Blackall. I think it was called Blackall River Road.
Okay, perfect. Best campsite?
Best camps. Oh, Gregory River.
I agree with you
no
on that
doubt.
one. Yeah, that was amazing. What about the best scenic place that we went?
That would have to be, again, just past Stonehenge, I think. It was called the address book.
Oh, was that yours?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you said that, to be honest. Mine was the Lost Southern City.
Oh, yes.
You can't have two, that's mine.
No. But that was good.
The Lost Southern City.
I'd forgotten about that.
That was
so
awesome.
hot when we turned up there.
What about the best pub?
The best pub?
Yeah.
Can't pick one.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So mine is, it's got to be Daily Waters.
Oh, Daily Waters, that was good.
Yeah, and I really enjoyed last night at the Mucker.
Yeah, that was good too.
That was good as well. I really enjoyed that. Okay, and what about best meal?
Yeah, I'm a pretty simple guy. I like the sausages and the potatoes and the fire. I just like that stuff. But probably the lamb chops. Actually, the last lot of lamb chops I cooked on beside, what river was that?
That was the Thompson River.
The Thompson River, yeah.
Do you want to know what my favourite meal was?
What?
The Italian in Alice Springs.
Oh, gotta go there, guys. Italian in Alice Springs.
Yep.
It was fantastic.
It was good. It was really good.
It wasn't that expensive.
Okay, two places
Recommend.
that you would definitely go back to again that we did on the trip. Two places. One, I already know what you're going to say.
Yeah, well, Gregory.
Yeah, the Gregory River. What about number two?
Number two. I actually didn't mind. I like Alice Springs. There's so much more to see up there. I know
Oh my God, we
were there for so long.
We spent so many days there.
I know.
Weeks.
I know.
Okay, well that's interesting. I like that. All right. Mine's definitely Gregory River. I'd love to go and set up there for a week. Maybe not in the storm build-up season,
And the other one is I'd really like to spend more time in that top end. There's so many World War II historical places up there that I'd really love to just tinker around and go and see them all and find out more about that. So that's kind of my
true to
my
form
thoughts.
with our type of travelling. We go to these places, but we don't spend very much time there. Usually one day and go the next.
Yeah.
We're really looking forward to retiring, going back up there, and every time you see a historical site, pulling in. And we did that a couple of times, but we didn't really have enough time.
Well, we didn't have enough time because our trip was obviously, cut short again. But everything went well on for the rest of the trip. So, okay. Thanks, babe.
Yeah.
Good car chat.
Good car chat.
We finally made it home. Red dust in our veins and memories we won't stop banging on about. Thanks for riding shotgun with us. Believe me when I say our next adventure's an absolute beauty. So, can't wait. See you all soon.
Brett and Tony hit the road again.